Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, we're going to show you how to use AI to summarize multiple PDFs at once. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, combine all your PDF files into a single document. You can use free online tool like I Love PDF to merge them quickly. Search for I Love PDF on Google and then click on Merge PDF Files. Select your PDF files. Now click on Merge to merge them. Once merged, download the combined PDF to your computer. Next, go to ChatGPT and upload your merged PDF into the tool. Now simply ask the AI to create a summary for you. The AI will process the document and provide a clean, organized summary of all the combined content. You can also ask it for bullet points, key takeaways, or even rewrite sections of the PDF for easier understanding. This makes handling large documents effortless and saves you hours of reading time. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.